Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make Songbird Serenade character from My Little Pony. I know Songbird Serenade is a pop star pony, so the, don't don't take it so long now. Let's get started making her. So I will change her name first. Because we can see Songbird's surname real face and real eyes color and real eye colors. Also, we just color her eye blue because Songbird's surname has also a ribbon in her hair. So let's just this hair cell 26. But her ribbon is different colors. But it's okay. But the important she has a ribbon. Let's color her hair this yellow. Because I really want to choose yellow. If you want to choose black, just choose black. What do you think is perfect? Hey guys, what do you think is a perfect color? Yellow or black? I don't think yellow is perfect. Now let's just draw yellow. Because we can see her eyes. No, let's just put her glasses. And now, change her clothes. I don't think because I color the spring the material one spring black like this. The material is black like this too. I just because I it's just a black color just because when I'm not going making my video, I'm just playing this game. I just want to look like my character look like an e-girl. So this is black. Let's go inside the game. We can now change. We will never going to change her skin color because our character is a white color now. Is a little bit white color. Because Songbird's name skin color is a little bit gray color. So our character is not white. It's not white too much. So let's just go to the gym. So this is now, guys, because I saw in my my subscribers is so small because I really wanna hit a 100k subscribers. Please subscribe. If you're watching my video, just please click on subscribe. It's so easy. You can see my account Sakura Riddles. Just click a subscribe red first, and you can see that there's a bell in there, and click it and click the ring bell. Ting, you will going to subscribe me. Please subscribe. I really want to subscribe. Please go subscribe. Please go subscribe. So that's it. Bye. Thank you for watching for my Songbird Serenade. I know Songbird Serenade is a pop star pony. Who is Songbird Serenade love? Who is Songbird who likes Songbird Serenade so much? They love Songbird Serenade. Just comment down below. all of my what I make a pony character. Just comment if you like them so much or not. Comment down below if you really like Songbird's name. If you like her so much, just please click subscribe, please. It's just only a subscribe and like, please. Bye. See you tomorrow.